So shout out to the subscriber Joseph. He basically left me a comment and he said he's relatively new and he's learning a whole lot. He said, you mentioned on how you would break it down to a more simpler understanding. I would appreciate it much, and I'm learning the trading language. There's a massive assumption that basically what he's saying, so I don't read this whole thing to you. Basically what he's saying is that people assume that everybody knows what they're talking about when they're using these trading languages, and it's like a third language when you get into crypto, when you get into trading, and people just get on here and they just throw things around. So you basically need to learn the basics, and nobody's trying to explain that to you in a very simple way. As a matter of fact, people get irritated when they have to explain it to you in a simple way. But I'm gonna make this video right here so I could explain some very simple things in crypto, just to like help some people out. Very simple things on the chart and stuff like that. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. I actually respond to the comments, you know what I'm saying? So first things first, I want to just show you this right here. Improve your crypto vocab. So FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's what we're going to get a lot of in the bear market. And usually the way that this term is used in the crypto space right now is explaining, like, when somebody pastes something bad about a crypto, people call it FUD, like stop FUDing this, stop FUDing that. Sometimes the wrong things get called FUD, but hey, that's what it is: fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And certain things, like if we don't know what's going to happen, people just say it's FUD anyway. You know what I'm saying? So FOMO, fear of missing out, is what you have to control in the crypto market. You don't want to have fear of missing out. Who cares if you miss out? You don't want to lose money. It's better to miss out than it is to lose money. Trust me. HODL, hold on for dear life. That is it's a sucky strategy. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, hodling sucks in the crypto market. Too much volatility. Mooning, that's why I trade. That is why I trade. But I do still hodl some Bitcoin and some Ethereum, and little bitty bags of altcoins, but nothing major. Mooning, price going up, high. Mooning, anything that has to do with the moon is price going up. Fiat, that's what we call regular money, like yen, pesos, dollars, like that's fiat. Like, ill, we don't want that. That's fiat right there. We're just waiting for that stuff to die off. A whale, someone with a lot of crypto. Now a whale is someone with a stupid amount of crypto. A whale is somebody with 1,000 to 5,000 Bitcoin. You know what I mean? That's hella money. That's a lot of money right there. A shark, is 500 to 1,000. Dolphin 100. A fish is 50. An octopus is 1. A crab, octopus is 10. A crab is 1, and then less than that, it's a shrimp. So if you're a shrimp, then your goal should be. Look, this is the second time recording this video, and I accidentally made a dumbass mistake and said something about, like, crab and trying to get crab, and it was like I almost did it again, but I'm not gonna put y'all through that. Anyways, a crab, that's with 1 BTC to 10 BTC. So if you don't have 1 Bitcoin yet, that's the goal right now. 19, it's about 20,000. So that's the goal. Let's get you to 20,000 right there. So back to this all-time high. That's getting back to the all-time high. Now look, when you're looking at a coin, so shout out to the subscriber. He said he wanted me to look at XLM and talk about some more niche cryptos instead of Bitcoin all the time. And yeah, we'll start doing that. But the reason why, let me just talk about why I talk about Bitcoin all the time. And I actually talk about this in my trading course too. So in my trading course, I actually finished it. There's links in the description for that. But the reason why I talk about Bitcoin all the time is because these coins just follow Bitcoin. They always follow Bitcoin, no matter what. You could like it, you could hate it. Bitcoin goes down on a nice dump. These coins are going to follow. Now, exchanges have their holdings and all that kind of in crypto. It's backed, and Bitcoin backs everything. So it's like the reserve currency for the crypto market. So the value of that goes down, then the whole thing. Crypto is the ship. Bitcoin is the ship. It's like we're all on the ship. But anyways, looking at XLM, and we're talking about all-time highs. Got off on a super tangent, but we're talking about all-time highs on XLM if you scroll down right here, you can see this is the all-time high right here. So you can see the all-time high of the price was 87.5, 87 cents, and that was about 4 years ago for XLM, which is actually a very nice token. It's pretty undervalued at 10 cents and not getting back to its all-time high in this bull cycle, which is pretty interesting. And then the all-time low is 7 years ago, and it's up 22,000%. And this is what we're going to be looking for on this channel. We're going to be trading, and then we're going to be looking and DCAing and hodling coins that are going to do 20,000%. That's going to be the goal. That's going to be the goal for the channel for sure. But yeah, where will we at with our crypto terms right here? Bullish, if you don't know what bullish is by this point, bullish means that we want the price to go up. You think the price is going up, or the price is going up, it's in an uptrend. And then bearish, it's the opposite of that. Price going down, you think the price is going down, or it's in a downtrend. It's used interchangeably. We'll say, like, look, XLM right now is in a bearish trend. It's been in a bearish trend for a while. Oops. And right now, actually, if we kind of zoom in for XLM, since we wanted to look at it, it's in this trend that's right here. That is a triangle. It's a symmetrical triangle, and it's probably going to break to the downside. Actually, it's about a 70% chance that'll break to a downside, roughly. It's just statistics. And if it goes to if it does break to the downside, it could be a nice drop. Now, all these cryptos might be signaling that they can go for a nice drop right here. But like I said, we always watch the price of Bitcoin. So looking at the price of Bitcoin real quick, we can see that Bitcoin is kind of in this kind of bearish pattern right here, which means that it might go to the downside. And if it goes to the downside, which this would be like a bearish flag, so it's like a kind of a pole right here and then a flag right here, that's going to be a bearish pattern. If that breaks down, then we can go back down to the previous resistance, which is this box in between 9.5 thousand and 11K for Bitcoin right now. But yeah, that's kind of beside the point. But yeah, basically I don't know why I keep saying that. I don't know why I keep repeating myself about that. But yeah, so right now, that might be a reason to go short. That's what I was going to get into. To go short, that might be a reason to bet that the price is going to go down. But if you don't know how to trade and you never knew how to trade before, then I don't think you should. Actually, no, it's not that I don't think you shouldn't be going short. You're gonna lose money if you don't know what you're doing, obviously. So just don't even do it. Just worry about learning how to long right now. Once you figure that out, you'll learn how to invert your charts and do all type of cool stuff. In the future when you get more advanced with your trading and with your investing in crypto. And I would say, like, for myself, like, crypto investing it kind of involves trading. Like, it kind of goes hand in hand. Once you're in the market for a while and you kind of see, like, the amount of money that you can lose if you just hold, then trading just becomes a natural thing that you just kind of get into when it comes to that. But let me see. Let me go back to his question, and it says, short videos to teach the language of trading in respects to digital assets would be liked and subscribed and shared big time in the months ahead with the approach of the greatest bull market that ever happened. Yeah, the greatest bull market that ever happened. We are waiting on it, but we are having this thing called the law of diminishing returns, which means that the longer something is in circulation, the more that it slows down. So basically what it is this: the more people that come into crypto, the less the gains are going to be, because the more people that are already here. So when I got here, it was way less people that are here right now, so the gains next time are not going to be as huge. And the reason that is because of the market caps. Now, in my opinion, I'm thinking, look, for cryptos to kind of become mainstream and to be a mainstream thing, then these cryptos are going to start having the market caps of regular mainstream companies. Like, so when you see crypto companies getting the market caps of like Apple, Kaiser or Target, or just random companies that we all know about, and then you see like XLM up there in that list, that's when the law of diminishing returns, like, we can just kind of throw away this whole bull market wish, stuff like that. We're there already. So right now, we are a little bit closer than people believe that we are. So that's why getting low cap gems and going into the lower cap coins is more of my thing right now, because I do actually believe that. But not only do I believe that, I see the numbers, and that's what the numbers are showing, and it's all a numbers game. So literally, I hope this helps some people out. Now that I go and I read his message again, I know that for sure that he knows everything that I talked about in this video. So my bad, bruh. But yeah, I'll definitely do some more niche videos about XLM, and then I will hop into the exchange more and show you guys more about like actually pulling off trades and different strategies and stuff like that. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Don't forget to check out my website, Everything Currency Crypto, and I got an investing course if you're new, and I also got a trading course if you're new to trading. So yeah, and it talks about just the way I look at it. So think positive, and positive things will happen. Till next time, peace.